G'day everyone. In the next part, we're going to actually look at the groom and the groomsman, them actually getting ready. I usually allow around an hour to do the groom and the groomsman. It's really all we need. Often, you know, we just don't need anywhere near the time we do for photographing the girls who are getting things like makeup and things like that done, and they're getting dressed and stuff like that. In this clip, you're going to see me use the a7iii obviously and the Tamron lens extensively, and the beauty of this is you'll see when I'm starting to shoot the details of the groom's watch and things like that, how close the focusing can be with this lens. It really is a great all-round lens. In fact, often I don't even use the macro anymore because this can focus so close. So we're going to be looking at that. There is some supplemental lighting as well, which is using the ice light. So you're going to see how that works. And it's basically just a nice relaxed shoot that we go through. Unfortunately, some of the audio is not fantastic in this because I was just talking to Gino, who was doing the gimbal work here, and it was just his on-camera mic that was being used because we did this all very, very quickly. So I hope you understand that aspect of it, but still you'll see sort of the behind the scenes and see how that's all working. So we'll look at that now.
Alright David, so what have you done here?
Well, all I'm doing at this stage is we're just doing the detail of the boys. So we're going to start building these up, working with a watch and their jewellery, and basically get any of the details that the boys are actually using. Like the things like the hats, we always make sure too that we get the aftershave. If they had the rings, we'd do that here, but the rings are still with the girls.
Why did you choose this spot here?
Well, only because it's backlit nicely,
yeah.
And I always try and look for something that has lovely lighting and nice wood, natural elements like this lovely table.
Yeah.
Now, even though there's people at the back there, I'm blowing that out because you're not going to actually see it, so you don't notice anything on the back of the wall. If you look at the back on here on the camera, you'll sort of see the effect that I'm actually getting.
I don't know if it's going to get it properly, but yeah.
So I'm just making sure that I expose for the foreground these elements here, and the background will basically all be blown out. So I don't mind that. Now if I wanted to, I could grab something like the ice light and light that up from the front,
yep.
Just to give this a little bit of a kick. And Kerry usually holds that. But I think I probably prefer it lit naturally behind if I look at the two of them.
This is already a different.
Yep.
Is that annoying in there?
There's a real like.
What's that? Your photo?
You've
got that bit of curtain on the remove it.
No, it doesn't worry me. No, because in the darker ones, no, it doesn't bother me.
No?
I'm going to take that off anyway because I want to do ones now with just the watch.
That's pretty cool.
So I'll get rid of that.
It's like a real. I think a really.
Alright, so let's bring his hat in. We need the hat and shoes.
Yeah, bus, mate. It's a maxi bus. It's a maxi bus.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not bad like that. Just see. I think we'll just try lighting it up. So grab that ice light and just have a look and see if we can light that up a little bit.
Thanks for coming. I'm leaving. Food started. That's how much it looks like.
Beautiful. So next I'll get it on the belt.
With the line?
Yep.
Everybody that's here, stop, please take a swig of the drink. And also get ready to pass the
Perfect.
Is that alright with What's his name?
Macro, I bought it today, but
Look at the focusing distance.
yeah, it's ridiculous. You can actually even get closer than that. So if I wanted to grab the watch, we'll actually focus from there. So you know, it's pretty nuts.
Have you really? Yes.
Yeah, it's crazy. Just bring that down like that for a second. We'll come back there. Yeah, that's why I'm coming back. Okay.
Catholic school. You want the Kama Sutra too? one, be quiet for the priest. Sunday school, position lodge.
Okay. Alright, so all we'll do is take it outside to a
Tree. Oh, the sleeves blowing out.
Alright. Then I'm going to get you one where you have a drink, and then I'm going to get you to put all the cans out as far as you put them out, and like have a cheers. So let me have a look.
Can't go hiding because Tom will mention Tom. How's my hair, Pete?
I think the sunny's off.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you can have it on, it doesn't matter, it depends on the stage. More formal later. Alright, so let me focus on you. Alright, so what I'm going to get you to do first is look this way. Alright, alright, so you can have a kiss. You can have a kiss too if you like.
Yes! Kiss him! Wait till you're wedding day to kiss him.
Alright, now have a drink, so just have a drink. Beautiful. Alright, now bring your beer cans out as far as you can. Have a cheer in the middle, so just put your hands all together.
Hair ties on their wrists.
Alright, so look at each other. I love it.
I see cataract.
Now, if you can, put your beers down there just for a second. I'll just get it a shake. So,
Trousers down.
this is how proud you are of him, Dad.
Should we hug and kiss now, or?
Yeah,
So hug.
I dare you.
Go for the bro hug.
When was the last time
Now, who else did you want in with you?
Drinking in public.
Beautiful. Stay about there today. Just move over there, Dave. Yeah, that one. Right, you guys group together over that side, and you're just looking at each other. Just make sure when you're looking and talking to each other, don't face away. That's perfect now, but you can just look like you're talking to each other. Dave, can you stop? Just stop about there. That's it. And I'm going to focus on you.
Need to move a little bit so the sun's half sun, half shade.
Well, being a guy, it doesn't matter.
Where am I looking like? Down the camera or am I like?
You look straight at me, actually.
Oh, yeah, cool.